Welcome to the Experdocs tutorial series. Experdocs is a working tool you will use every day to manage and share your documents, including photos, audio, visual, PDF, and other file types. In this video, we will discuss understanding and working with the desktop panels. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already logged into Experdocs, chosen my project, and I am currently on the main screen. Within the main screen, there are 4 distinct functional panels. These are entitled Search, Current Document, Documents, and Info. The Search panel, located on the left-hand side of the screen, allows you to find a document or series of documents that you are looking for in several different ways. You may search by a word or phrase using a text search. You may search by a tab or tag, tab or tag. You may search by ratings. You may search by document type, or exclusive or inclusive data. So for my purposes today, I've already set up the structure for my project, meaning I've already added tags to my documents, or in this case photographs. I've already added descriptions, ratings, etc., and have set this up as a working project. So let's go ahead and use the search function by typing in a word or phrase. So if I want to find all photographs with the text buildings, I would type that in the search bar and click Apply Search Filters. Now all photographs with that text will show up in my Documents panel. Okay, so let's go ahead and clear search and clear filters. Now I would like to search by tab or tag located here. This construction photographs is a tab, and then the options underneath it are the tags. So if I would like to go ahead and select buildings, once again, if that's what I choose to search for, I would click buildings, apply search filter, and my documents panel would change to just those photos. I can also search by ratings, so let's clear this once again and get all my photos back here. I can also search by rating, so if I would like to search by 5-star ratings for this project, I would click 5, apply search, and these 4 documents have my 5-star rating. Also, I can search by document type, which is listed here, but all I have are JPG files, so that is all that will show up here when I search for them. Now I would like to move on to the current document panel. You have many options here for viewing your document. You may zoom to a specific space in that document, zooming closer. You may return to its original size. You may zoom in, zoom out, return to its original size. You may rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Moving on to the Documents panel here at the bottom, this allows for a quick view of all your documents within this project. Now there are 2 views available here. You may use the thumbnail view, which you can see, or you may use the Details view, which lists your documents. It shows the Bates number, it shows the document number, and it shows the document name. Now please note that as you apply filters and search within your project using this search panel, only those documents that were searched for will appear in your Documents panel. So for example, when I searched for buildings, those are the documents that showed up here in my Documents panel. So if for some reason you are not seeing all of your documents, please make sure that you have clicked Clear Search and or Clear Filters to get back to your original full project. Now I would like to show you the Info panel located on the right-hand side of the default screen. This panel lists all of the information you have for the current document. This includes the document name, a description, document number, Bates number, the original file name, the source, document date, rating, document owner, files, and the tab or tags associated with that document. Also, please notice these two tabs here at the bottom of the panel. This is the Info tab, which is currently here. Then there's a Construction Photographs tab. If you've used the tab feature on your documents, you will see each listed here, and you'll be able to tag each individual document within this panel. So what I mean is, if you have the Construction Photographs tab, which I've listed here, it will show up and you will be able to choose the tags associated with this document. So if I need to change this document's tags, I can add buildings to this if I want to, right here, and it will automatically update my search filters. Let's just unclick that. If I want to change these in any way, this is where I do so. The final thing I would like to mention on this tutorial is that these panels are 100% customizable to fit your individual need. You may make the panels larger or smaller. Also, by clicking on the left-hand side of that specific panel, you may move this panel to another space. Try this one. Let's try Info panel, and we're going to move that to the left here of the current document panel. So that has now been changed. If I want to move the search bar, I click and hold. I want to move it to the right of the Info panel, and it shows up right there for you. Please be aware that you may always return to the default if you're more comfortable with those settings by going to View, Apply Layout, and Default, and it will take you right back to the default settings. So thank you for watching this Experdocs tutorial video. Please visit us at experdocs.com.